Welcome back to another episode of ACT and SAT practice question. Again, this is Romel, your host with the Jax Tutor. So today we're going to talk about a little bit about word problem. Let me show you exactly what we're doing here today. Hopefully you can see this. Yes, so it says, I guess Dion is going to randomly pick a domino from a pile of dominoes that are all facing down. Of the dominoes in the pile, 48 have an even number of dots on them, and he randomly picks a single domino. If the probability that he picks a domino with an even number of dot is 3/4, how many dominoes are in the pile? So what it says here quickly is this kid here, Dion, is picking dominoes in the pile. So even dominoes are, number of even dominoes are 48. So think about dominoes are facing down. There's 40 of them that I have. Not when I say even dominoes, it's dominoes where the total number of dots adds up to an even number. That's what it says. And then the probability that if he picks dominoes where the total number of dots add up to an even number is 3/4. Probability is 3/4. So it says, okay, how many dominoes we have? So think about what it says here is the portion of dominoes that are in the pile. The portion of dominoes that are in the pile. The portion of even numbers that are in the pile compared to the total portion is 3/4. So let's say we call the total portion X. X, right? This is what we're looking for. So it says 48 divided by X. So he randomly picks that domino, and there's a certain number of them. There's even or odd, because there's only two possibilities, even or odd. So that portion, the even portion is 3/4. So what can we do here? We can cross multiply, right? So 48 times 4 is equal to 3x. That implies x is equal to 48 times 4 divided by 3. What is that? And of course you should get a number bigger than 48 because even only equals to that, 248. So 64. X is equal to 64. Hopefully this looks like a safe. Alright, so let's see what choice is this? This is choice J. Let's see here. Yeah, you can see this is J. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please share it on your page. You'll help a lot of kids taking the ACT, the SAT, and any other standardized tests. Thank you very much. This is Romel with the Jax Tutor. Thanks. Bye-bye.